Kenny got ball. Kenny got ball.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this very natural looking wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm really excited about this one because one is absolutely short, which is going to be perfect for the summer weather, and two, it has a kinky coily kind of 4C texture kind of look. So this is definitely going to be a go-to wig for me, because if I just pick it up, I pop it on and go. I don't even have to slick my edges. I just tried to slick my edges for this video, but I don't have to slick my edges. I'll just take it off and put it on and change my headband, because the wig comes with different headbands. And if you're wondering, the wig is from Eayon hair company. I'm going to put all the link, specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. So just pick it up, pop it up, and off we go. Seriously, I'm absolutely in love with this wig, and I know you guys are gonna love it as well. Let me stop blabbing and let's just get into the video. Hi guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. As you can see, it came with different headbands. So this is what the wig looks like. It's very lovely. So I went ahead and did like a very simple braiding pattern. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, I'll spray a little bit of water on my edges, and then I'm gonna lay my edges down with my Eco Styler gel. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes to dry. So meanwhile, I'm just spraying water on the wig. I'll spray water and I'll spray oil sheen as well, and then fluff it out. So right here, I'll just take off my scarf and then I'll put on the wig. So after putting on the wig, I'm going to go ahead and fluff it out a little bit, and then I'll put on my headbands. I'm going to style it with different headbands. And this is what it looks like, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and style it with other headbands as well. I absolutely love this wig. It looks like our natural hair. It's really, really pretty. And that's what it's gonna be for now. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and also sharing this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.